friends. It's math carpet time. Yay! And Clara's back today. I don't know what she's doing with those apples, but I guess we'll find out in a minute. Okay, let's look at our calendar for the month of November. All right, yesterday was the 10th, so today will be the 11th. Now, we have to figure out what's going to be on this tag. Will it be a triangle? Will it be a circle? Will it be a square? What will be the shape? How can we find out? Read the pattern, of course. That's a great idea. All right, so we had a rectangle. A rectangle, of course, has 4 sides, and some of them are longer than others. Then we had a triangle, 3 sides, and then a square. 4 sides, but they're all equal. Okay, so we had a rectangle, triangle, square, rectangle, triangle, square, rectangle, triangle, square, rectangle, should be a triangle. All right, thinking it's a triangle, but what color is it? Read the pattern again. Okie dokie. All right, so we had orange, orange, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, orange. Should be red? Okay, so a red triangle. Now, yesterday we discovered something interesting. We discovered there might be a pattern to these yellow and green shapes. Is there going to be a yellow or green shape today? Well, let's read the pattern. Nothing, yellow circle, nothing, green oval. Nothing, yellow circle, nothing, green oval. Nothing, yellow circle, nothing. So it should be a red triangle all by itself. Okay, well, let's take a look. Oh, look at that. It certainly is. Now, some people might say, well, that triangle is different. It's pointing in a different way. But it's a triangle. No matter which way we turn it, it's still a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. So we're going to put that in there. It is Wednesday, November 11th, 2020. All right, let's go and talk to Rocco. Hi, Rocco. Nothing turned around today? And you don't have anything in your paws? Oh, you and Clara have a deal. Oh, okay. Oh, because of Clara's enormous pile of apples? I see. Okay. So you wanted to leave time for her to count them all. Well, that was very nice of you, Rocco. That was very kind, don't you think? Okay. Oh, but you want us to count 2 different ways. All right. We can do that, right? I think. Okay, so which 2 ways do you want us to count? By 10s and by 5s. We can do that, right? Absolutely. Okay. No, I'll remember. I'll remember this time. Okay. Rocco wanted me to remember which way to go when I'm counting by 10s. Do you remember which way to go? Okay, so I start at the 0, but which way do I go to count by 10s? Yeah, I don't go this way. I have to go down, right? Remember yesterday, I was counting the wrong way. All right, so by 10s, here we go. You're counting with me, right? Okay. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yay! So far, so good? Excellent. All right. Now by 5s. And right, this time I won't count by 1s when I'm supposed to be counting by 5s. All right. Okay, you're going to help me, right? Excellent. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We did it. Thank you, Rocco. Yes, I'll remember. We have to remember to do the straw. Okay, thank you, Rocco. All right, let's put in another straw. So yesterday we had 2 straws in there, and we add 1 more. 2 plus 1 more equals, 3. So I'll put a 3 in there. So now we have, you think so? All right, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. You were right, 43. Well, I guess it's time to come down here and see what on earth Clara is up to with her enormous pile of apples. Oh my! Clara, what are you doing? Yeah, I see you have a lot of apples. You don't want anyone to eat any before you have a chance to count them. Okay, well, what's Jelly doing over here then? Jelly's trying to help you. I see. Oh, okay. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you. Oliver's just letting us know that Jelly has not eaten any apples. Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Jelly. That's very kind of you. Did you put them in piles of 5 or 10? Jelly isn't sure what we're talking about. Well, let's just see your pile. Claire, it's okay, right? Yeah. You know we're not going to eat them. Okay. All right, Jelly, we have to put them in piles of 5 or 10. Let's see how many are in this pile, okay? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh boy. Now, I don't know if you've ever tried counting by eighths, but it can be really tricky. 8, 16, 24, 32. I mean, wow, that's going to be really tricky. Jelly, I'm not sure we really know how to count by eighths yet. I mean, that's a really tricky thing to do. Oh, you're thinking that 8 is a really great number. Well, I'm sure 8 is really a really nice number, but I think we're going to put them in piles of 5. Okay. All right, so let's grab out 5 from that pile. We'll put it right over here. And let's see, there's 5. We'll put those right there. And 5 more. All right, Clara, you know, in order to count these, we really need you to move. Yeah, we cannot count them when they're under your body. All right. Okay, they're stuck to you. Yeah. Wow. Friends, look at this enormous pile of apples that Clara was sitting on. This is going to take some doing. All right, so we have to make sure that we're making piles of 5, right? Because if we make piles of 8, wow, that's just going to be hard to count. Okay, so we'll quickly put these in piles of 5. And remember, when you're counting things at home, if you have like a pile of anything and you're trying to count a lot of something, putting them in piles of 5 or 10 is a really good idea because it kind of helps you to count them quickly and accurately. Accurately means you know that you've got the right answer. All right. My goodness, Clara. What'd you do? Go to the apple orchard? Huh. What are you planning to do with all these apples? A really big snack. Oh. Wow. Yeah, that would be a really big snack, Clara. I hope you're planning on sharing them or you're going to get a cow bellyache. My goodness, friends, I filled all of this and we're still counting. Goodness me. There we go. Almost there. Groups of 5. Oops. And 2 left over right there. Okay, shall we count by 5s? Let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Uh-oh. 105, 110, 115. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of apples. How do we even write that? Huh. You know what? To help us, I think we better put these in piles of 10. Okay. Pile of 10, pile of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And there's that 5 with 2 more. Okay. Whew. Let's see. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117. Whew, that's a lot. Okay. I'm not sure we know how to write a 117, do you? Okay, well, you know what? We could count how many piles of 10 we have, because that usually helps, right? Okay, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 piles of 10. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. 117. Now that's a really big number. You know what else we could do? If we put together, how many piles of 10 would it take to make 100? Yeah, we'd need 10 piles of 10 to make 100. All right, well, we can probably do that, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this pile right here, that's 100 apples right there. And then a set of 10. And then these 7 over here. So what we have is 1 pile of 100, 1 pile of 10, and 7 little lonely apples left over. 117. Wow, that's a lot of apples. And we wrote the number 117. That's pretty cool. Clara, Jelly, that's a lot of apples. Oh, you should be full? Yeah, I would think you would be full. Are you going to share some with Jelly? Oh, Jelly likes apples. Okay, all right. Ah, apple jelly. Well, I guess that makes sense, right? Okay. Well, I hope you share with a lot of people, because this is a lot of apples for one cow. Yeah. All right, so you picked a flash math for us today, right? Perfect. Well, let's take a look. Whoa, okay. Let's take a look at Clara's flash math today. Is it more than 10? Is it fewer than 10? Is it more than 5? Is it fewer than 5? And, are there any patterns you recognize? Take a look. Did you see some patterns you know? I did too. All right. So, is it more than 5 or fewer than 5? You saw that set of 5, didn't you? And then there were some more. Okay, now, is it more than 10 or fewer than 10? That's a little iffy there, isn't it? Could be more than 10. All right, let's take another look. What do you think? All right, let's take a really big look. Okay, so we have this group right here. That's a group of 5, right? And then we have a group of 6. Exactly. We've seen these before on dice, right? Okay, so we have 5 and 6. So it's definitely more than 5. Is it more than 10? All right. Well, we could count on, right? Let's try that. So the bigger number would be 6, and let's count on from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 dots. More than 10. Yes. Or we could think about this as, well, I know 6 is 1 more than 5, right? I know that 5 and 5 is 10. And so 6 being 1 more than 5, it'd be 1 more than 10. So that'd be 11, right? That's pretty cool. So we had 11 dots today. That's a lot of dots. Well, thank you, Clara Cow. And thank you, Jelly. I hope you do get a few of these apples. From Oliver and Jelly and Clara and Rocco, you have a lovely counting day.